Good morning, YouTube. I'm going to do a little different video this time. I'm going to kind of show you a day from start to finish. Obviously every morning I start out by inspecting the truck. I do have two fluids I'm going to fill up this morning. First, what I've got is washer fluid, and then I also want to top off my coolant a bit. I'm going to see if I can get us some light back. First up is washer fluid. It's been getting warmer out, things are melting, so lots of road spray. I also need new wiper blades. I intended on doing that, but never got around to it. Let's see if I can get past this child-proof lock. Put that up. And now the trick is getting up here. So the washer fluid tank is right there, but to get up there I gotta climb up on the tires, so step on the spring. Let's see what we can do. And that's all we gotta do. I already checked everything else over on the truck. Oil level is good, oil looks good, tires all look good. Once we get it started, I will check the lights, but that's pretty much all I'll have left. So the truck is warmed up, got the inspection done, and we are ready to hit the road. I'm in a bit of a tight spot here, so I'll have to roll out slow. I got box trucks on both sides of me, plus this portable loading ramp here. So let's see, get as far forward as I can. Gotta cut the turn so I can avoid the ramp, but I also don't want to clip that truck back there with my trailer, obviously. Looks like we're clear back there. And then I got a tight turn out of the lot up ahead. So it's pretty warm this morning. It's 34 degrees out, so I only had to let the truck warm up for about 20 minutes. But on those super cold mornings, you know, I'll sit here at the lot and wait for an hour for it to warm up. So that's fine. I am just taking a day trip up to Fargo. I've got a truckload here of Scott's MiracleGro potting soil that I'm going to deliver, if I can find third gear. I'm going to be delivering that to Home Depot in Fargo, and then I'm going to reload some pipe, which should be fun to see. I haven't been there in probably a couple months. You know, the guys there are super nice. I always chat with them, so I'm excited to see them. One thing I'm really not excited about today though is they're under a winter weather advisory up there and are supposed to be getting 4 to 6 inches of snow. So what should just be a quick 3.5 hours up to Fargo and 3.5 hours back with a load and unload in between. I have a feeling it's not going to be that simple today, but that's trucking in winter in Minnesota, so it should be a fun day, and hope you enjoy. I do have to stop and fill up. I'm sitting at just over a quarter tank. I'm going to make it up to the big quick trip in Clearwater, Minnesota off of 94. Fargo. This is going to be probably my only real stop for the day besides, picking up and dropping off. So I just got super healthy breakfast and lunch. I haven't ate yet. I've been going for a couple hours already here. And honestly, I'm not that hungry yet, but I did get myself a banana nut muffin for breakfast. And then for lunch, we've got some salt and vinegar chips and SpaghettiOs. And then there's my good old banana nut muffin for breakfast. So we will see you when we get to Home Depot to deliver this dirt. Depot. They just finished unloading me with my truckload of dirt. Now I'm just going to go 5 miles down the road and pick up some pipe, and we'll see it get loaded, and then I'm just going to head back to Minneapolis with that, and I won't deliver that till tomorrow morning. Level of accuracy. So depending on if you fall within a certain, if it thinks that you're over 65,000 pounds, generally you're going to pull in, but there is also some, randomness to it. I don't weigh very much right now. These PVC pipes are right there on the ground is the scale, but these PVC pipes don't weigh very much. So we'll see if I get pulled in and have to officially scale, like stop on a scale, or if I pass the test. You can see all the trucks that are keeping left, they're getting the green arrow up there. They, passed the test, so to speak. And when you get pulled in, it looks like they're pretty much waving everyone through here right now, so we get the green arrow, we're good to go. You follow these arrows. If the arrow on the right was green, you'd have to pull over there and stop on the scale, and you can maybe see off in the distance on the right there is a truck with a trooper at it. So he's scaled and he's maybe overweight, or they saw something when he scaled officially that was wrong with his truck. So now that trooper is going to do a full DOT inspection on his truck, and if he doesn't have everything in tip-top shape, then he's going to be in for a ticket or two. So good luck to that guy. But we passed, and now we just